Hey there and welcome. If you've ever wondered how to import your very first data file into Power BI, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll walk you through every step of bringing a CSV file into Power BI, perfect for complete beginners. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your sample sales data into Power BI, setting you up to start exploring and analyzing like a pro. So let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open up Power BI on your computer. If this is your first time opening Power BI, don't be intimidated by all the buttons and panels that pop up. Think of Power BI as your command center. This is where you'll bring in data, create reports, and unlock insights. Once Power BI is open, make sure you're on the home screen. You should see a ribbon of options along the top. This is your base of operations for most actions, and it's designed to be familiar if you've used other Microsoft Office applications. Now look for the Get Data button. It's usually toward the left side of the ribbon. When you click Get Data, you're telling Power BI that you want to connect to a new data source. This is key because Power BI can handle a whole bunch of data types, but today we're focusing on the humble CSV file. Clicking Get Data pops up a menu with lots of options. Go ahead and choose the option labeled Text CSV. Even though it says Text CSV, don't worry, CSV is just a very common format for exporting tables from almost any system or spreadsheet, and it's what we'll use now. The next step is selecting your sample sales data file. A file browser will open, so just navigate on your computer to wherever you've saved your sample data, maybe your desktop or a downloads folder. Click on the file once you spot it, then hit open. At this point, Power BI will give you a little preview window showing you the contents of your CSV. Take a moment here to look it over and make sure everything looks about right. You should see your columns and some data rows. This is useful because it lets you catch any weird formatting issues before you bring the data in. If it all checks out, go ahead and click Load. Now this part might take a few moments depending on the size of your file, but don't worry if it takes a little longer for bigger datasets. Once the data is loaded, Power BI automatically brings you into the data pane. This is where you can actually see everything you've just imported laid out in a neat table. It's like pulling out all your ingredients onto the counter before you start cooking. You can see exactly what you have to work with. Next, simply select your new data table from the list on the right-hand side. This tells Power BI that you want to add and use this data in your visuals and reports. With just these simple clicks, you've connected your first data source. Now you can use this table to start creating charts, dashboards, or dig deeper into your numbers. And that's it, you've just imported your first CSV file into Power BI. Not too bad, right? Remember, every big analysis starts exactly this way, one data file at a time. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions or get stuck anywhere, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly Power BI tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.